Eric Burgess here. We've been given a sequence, 3 rad n over the quantity rad n plus 2. And they want to know, does it converge, diverge? And if it does, what does it converge to? So let's just look at this real quick. So they have rad n's here trying to be kind of scary looking, but we can just treat rad n as the highest power of n in the denominator. So if we divide everything by rad n, we'll wind up at an equivalent fraction. We'll wind up at 3 over 1 plus 2 divided by rad n, right? Because 3 over rad n, the rad n's cancel out. This rad n over rad n gives you 1, and 2 over rad n is just this. So this is a much easier thing to take a limit of. So we will take the limit as n goes to infinity. I'm writing it on this side just because this is what we're taking the limit of. Okay, we'll have an arrow. And so if we take the limit of this thing, we are going to get 3 over 1 plus, and then 2 over infinity is 0, so that's just 0. So we see that it actually converges to 3. Now, if you were to write this on a math test, you probably want to start a new branch. You'd want to not write the limit like this. You'd want to take it over here. Because some teachers will be picky. They'll say this equivalent sign, you didn't write the limit over here and all of this. I guess the easiest way to fix something like this instead of rewriting it is you could just add a limit at the beginning. As n goes to infinity. I've seen people lose points over this. Some teachers care a lot about the way it's written. And so just so you know, you want it looking like this. The way I did it is sort of like a workflow thinking through it, but when you take the time to write out the solution, you're going to want to do something like this. This is a little neater, and it safeguards you against any points lost to formatting issues. If you have any questions about this, feel free to let me know. Hit that bell icon for future videos and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next problem.